What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy A15 on deck. Now, today, guys, what we talking about is worth. This device is a $200 device. Now, what's a better bang for your buck? A $200 budget A15 like this, or actually picking up an old flagship? So this video is actually going to help you save some money. So let's get straight into it. Guys, they're doing it again. Unlimited plans for 15 bucks a month. 3 months of service, $45 for unlimited cell phone service. The BG Tech Life YouTube channel has partnered with Mint Mobile. That way we can offer you guys some real savings right now as we speak. You don't have to leave the house. You don't have to go to a carrier store. You can go right online, and in 15 minutes, you can get cell phone coverage, 5G cell phone coverage, for as cheap as $15 a month. Mint Mobile runs on the nation's largest 5G network. You can get the traditional physical SIM card, or you can get an eSIM card. All you have to do is click the link in my description and start the savings today. Spending a ridiculous amount of money on 5G cellular service is a thing of the past. You one click away from insane savings. Okay, YouTube, so let's talk about situations. Let's talk about who buying these type of devices. Let's say you somebody that rarely use your phone. You rarely, all you do is make phone calls, text. Sometimes you may look at a YouTube video. You've never really experienced any real powerful smartphone devices or no things of that nature. Now, picking up something like this because you want a device new out the box, this device will serve its purpose. But when it comes to my channel and my following, I know you guys are into the tech just a little bit more than that. And what I'm saying is, if you want the best bang for your buck, let's say you're in a position, you need to get a phone and you have 200 bucks. I would actually say, instead of buying this Samsung Galaxy A15, you're probably better off buying an old flagship. Now, I know we're saying that it is some risks that come with buying an older device. You buy an older device, it's not going to be in brand new condition. It might not be out the box, but there are programs out here like Amazon Renewed right now. Like right now on Amazon Renewed, for about $200, you can get a Pixel 6 or a Samsung Galaxy S21. And those phones probably won't be updated as long as this phone will be updated because this phone is new. But as far as experience, you getting phones with just a way better processor, because the budget dimensity processor in this device, to somebody that's actually paying attention how this device works and actually may want to play a game like a Subway Surfer, which on this device drop frames, it could become annoying. With tech, it loses value just like cars. You buy a device out the store, you probably done lost 40% of the value off the break. The only thing that really doesn't happen with is iPhones. I'll give Apple their credit. They actually hold their value really well. But with phones devaluing, that's a huge W for the used market. So with like a Pixel 6 or S21 compared to this device, it's completely different. No teardrop notch. Those devices have 120 hertz or 90 hertz displays. They have processors that are actually way better than the processor in this device. So just the everyday experience will feel more regular and feel more something comparable to the devices that are out right now. Those devices have better features, better cameras, and they can handle more intensive apps. And just honestly, going throughout the system UI just feels much better on those older flagships than this new budget device. The performance of this device is really not up to par. It's really jittery. And I don't think this device have to be that bad, but this is the affordable series. So this is the cheapest phone that Samsung actually makes. So even if they could make this phone better, it would be Samsung shooting themselves in the foot, because they make an A35, they make an A55. So even if they could make it better for the money, they just want you to pay for the better device. So if you buy a brand new phone that's $200, these manufacturers and these companies are gonna make you feel it, unless it's a really budget company and they have something to prove. There are a couple cool points about this phone, like the screen and the fact that it's got a micro SD card and an audio jack. But just for your day-to-day experience, you'll have a much better time with an older flagship, you may have to do some investigating, see what phones still getting updates, how long they have updates for, and go buy from a reputable seller like an Amazon Renew so you can buy that device. And if you don't like it in 2 weeks or a week or so, if you get it and it's not up to par, you can send it right back and get your money back. But if you're really into smartphones and you buy something like this, you're really gonna have a time with using this device, and that times using this device can just become pretty frustrating. So if you actually watch YouTube videos about smartphones and devices and things of that nature, that already says something about you, that you're interested and that you're paying attention. To take your $200 over to Amazon Renew, get you a older flagship, and actually you can enjoy a decent Android phone at a $200 price point. Something like this, as soon as you really get this device under load, because I haven't used it for super long and I don't have a lot of apps on here, I don't have a lot of, I haven't taken up a lot of the storage. This phone comes out of the box jittery and glitching. So I could imagine after somebody really loads this phone down with all that favorite apps, all that social medias, pictures and things of that nature, this phone will probably start to shut down. But I'm just keeping it real with y'all. This your boy BG Tech Life. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I appreciate you watching. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.